Have you ever wished you could get a flawless, professional manicure without stepping foot in a salon? Well, with the imPRESS Color Press-On Nails in Sweet Mango, your dream might just become a reality. These nails claim to give you salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. No dry time, no smudging, and no hassle. So, are they really the answer to an effortless manicure? Or is this just another gimmick? Let's start with the basics. The imPRESS press-on nails are made with something called PureFit Technology. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, it's essentially a design that ensures the nails fit snugly and comfortably on your natural nails, providing a seamless look. The color Sweet Mango is a vibrant, solid orange, perfect for summer or any occasion that calls for a bold statement. These nails come in a short Squoval shape, which strikes a nice balance between round and square, offering a clean, natural look that doesn't feel too extreme. What I love about this product is the simplicity. In just a few minutes, you can apply a full set of nails, no glue, no drying time, and no mess. The kit comes with 30 nails in different sizes, a mini file, a manicure stick, and a prep pad. Honestly, the prep pad is a game changer. It makes sure your natural nails are clean and ready for the press-on application, which helps the nails adhere more securely. The mini file also ensures that you can shape them exactly how you like. These tiny details really make the application process smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about performance. I wore these nails for several days straight, and they were surprisingly durable. The chip-proof and smudge-proof claims? Definitely true. I went through cooking, typing, and even a few hand washes without seeing any signs of wear. That's impressive for a press-on set. They were secure, and I didn't feel like I had to worry about them popping off, which can be a common issue with some cheaper options. But let's be real, no product is perfect. While I loved the overall durability, I did experience a bit of discomfort on the first day. They felt a little snug, especially towards the cuticle area. This sensation did fade after a few hours, but if you have super sensitive nails or nail beds, it's something to keep in mind. Now, the million-dollar question, is this product worth the price? For the quality, ease of use, and convenience, I'd say yes. The price is fairly reasonable when compared to the cost of a salon visit, and considering that each set is reusable for multiple wears, it's definitely more affordable in the long run. You're also getting a professional-grade finish at home, something that usually costs more in a salon setting. But let's compare. If you're not sold on the price tag, there are definitely more affordable alternatives that deliver similar results. For example, brands like Kiss and Dashing Diva also offer press-on nails with similar designs and durability, often at a lower price point. These alternatives might lack some of the luxury elements, but they can definitely offer a comparable experience. As for the build quality, the nails themselves feel sturdy. The adhesive is strong, and I didn't experience any peeling or lifting, even after a few days. However, the packaging could be a little more robust, as the nails are easy to lose in the box if you're not careful. But again, it's a small complaint for an otherwise solid product. Customer support? I haven't had to reach out to Kiss for this particular product, but based on my experience with their brand in the past, I'm confident that they offer excellent support. Kiss is known for being responsive and standing behind their products. And if you're wondering about updates, as of now, there haven't been any major changes to this product. But let's face it, the design is pretty foolproof. Sometimes you just don't need to fix what isn't broken. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, I'd recommend checking out press-on nails from brands like Dashing Diva, which are also highly rated. You might not get the same high-end feel, but they'll still provide a secure, long-lasting wear. So, what's the final verdict? The imPRESS Color Press-On Nails in Sweet Mango definitely live up to the hype. They offer a simple, convenient, and cost-effective way to achieve a salon-worthy manicure at home. The ease of application, chip-proof wear, and long-lasting results make them a great option for anyone who wants a quick and beautiful manicure. Just keep in mind the slight discomfort when first applying, and you'll be good to go. If you're interested in trying these out for yourself, you can find the link to purchase in the description box below. And hey, if you've already tried them, drop a comment and let us know how your experience was. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.